Sanibona babukeli nani nonke nina engilandelayo ama-switches. I'm very much grateful to everyone who voted for me and everyone who loves me. I'm very grateful from the bottom of my heart. I couldn't have done it without you. Kodwa kakhulu kakhulu ukuthi ngicela ngibheke kumabonakude. Watch me on TV, acting space and music, especially amapiano. So watch me everywhere. But hey, I'm shaking. I can't even say anything. I can't articulate myself properly. But thank you, switches. And my Oleg, keep on praying.
Congratulations messages are pouring in for young men yasenquthu KwaZulu Natal. Usweet Guluva guys emva ukuthi ke ethatha isicoco lapha ku Big Brother Mzansi. Guys niyazi ke bakithi ukuthi ke abantu bebevota kanjani, abantu ke bebekhankasa kanjani, muhle komsebenzi bakithi ama results ayabonakala ke. Umama ke kaSweet Guluva guys lo ayithiwa ke ma olady keep on praying. Uyena kuma wakhe lo abantu bakhala lapha ku social media bathi waze wamuhle umama ke kaSweet Guluva bakithi she is so beautiful. Ngazi ukuthi nje uqhamuke America, i-Black American hayi lama Americans lawa angamahle. Yabona lawa amahle, khona lawa amahle naye ngazi ukuthi nje owakhona guys indlela amuhle ke ngakhona. Lana ke sebo celebrating ke indaba ezimnandi ukuthi cha impela ke iwini ke iya ke enquthu eKZN. Well guys, it was a beautiful moment. Kuvotiwe bakithi, kuvotiwe kakhulu. Abantu ke beyikhandla bekhankasa nakuma comment ububona ukuthi hayi bonako sisha. Nami ke shame kusami ngicenge ngivota ngimvotela kuSweet Guluva noma kade ngayibukanga iBig Brother but bengiyibuka ngama eviction ke ama eviction ngacela sengimthanda ke nami ke uSweet Guluva guys ngenxa yepersonality yakhe ndiyona ke adle ngaye umhlanganiso nantshontshe kakhulu inhliziyo zabantu ngayo nangendlela ke nje azirepresente ngakhona as a Zulu young man, indlela agqoka ngakhona eshawo brand new eshawo Omega wayiveza nje ukuthi cha mina nje ngiguluva wasenquthu angenze lutho nginjena ke lana ke umama kaSweet Guluva behlangana ke guys ke nomakoti wethu ke lapha na ke uAshley guys. uGuluva uthi ke this is the first time ke ifamily yakhe ihlangana ke nomuntu ethandana naye yena indaba zakhe ifamily yakhe ayihlangene. So guys yeah bakithi hayi muhle umama kaSweet Guluva hayibo guys muhle kakhulu. So as you can see guys ukuthi ke it's celebration ke ibidlumunyu wathi ibidlumunyu lapha na ke eTradini zaseThekwini bengazi ukuthi siphuma ku1994 siyongena kwiFreedom indlela bekucelebrate ngayo khala amavuvuzela hayi boy KZN kosa make bathi hlangana Zulu okwazi ukuthi yazini if you can't beat them join them angeke sababheat ngeke sabenza lutho you must just join them nje guys uvote makuthiwa kuyavotwa nawe uvela uvote ngoba ayike makathiwa nje hlangana Zulu hayi so seyikhala ngempela nasenquthu guys bekucelebrate wake khala amahuthi ku celebrate ngaphandle komuzi wakubuke kwaSweet Guluva guys yaba kithi siyambongela kakhulu ikusasa ngempela lakhe libuka liqhakazela uthi ke sizombona la kumabona kude kwi-acting kusho ukuthi ulibonile ititle lakho ukuthi likhona impela kwi-acting waphinde futhi wathi mapiano nakhona sizombona kuSweet Guluva. Ngiyathemba ukuthi guys niyomsupporta ke nimshiye ke endleleni. That bring us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.